So I'm about to start reading and I just want to present the books that I'm reading currently. Yesterday I started this graphic novel and I wanted to finish it in one go, but I stopped myself. But I don't think I'm going to be reading this today. Sorry, this is Happiness Tome 1 by Shuzo Oshimi. It says creator of Flowers of Evil. So I don't know about Flowers of Evil, but I heard about this from Books with Chloe. It's a story of a vampire girl, but she's not even the protagonist. So the protagonist of this book is a student named Okazaki, and the book has something to do with vampires because this is a vampire woman on here. So yeah, that's what I have so far regarding that. And I'm also reading Parable of the Sower by Octavia Butler. I'm reading this for one of my book clubs. So this is set in 2024, which is pretty soon to us now in 2021. And it was written in 1993. It's a dystopian sci-fi where America has been ravaged by some sort of drug. There's a drug epidemic, and that drug is very chaotic and violence inducing. There's like a war on water as well, and a lot of poverty. Our protagonist is Lauren. She's 15 years old and she feels empathy. I forget what they call it, but she has like this condition where she feels empathy very strongly for other people, and it'll even have like physical effects on her body. I'm only at chapter 4 now, so I'm gonna keep reading this, and very interesting. Okay, so I read a bit of Parable of the Sower, but I want to move on and read some of Happiness. So I'm gonna sit here in the sun with Didi and probably finish this. Yeah, laying in the sun, very un-vampire-like, but I want to read this, so yeah. So I finished the manga. It was really good. I think I'll give it a 4-star. And I already have the second and third one, so I'll start those eventually soon. But yeah, I'm just gonna get ready for the day because looking a mess. Haven't washed my face yet, and it's afternoon now, so yeah, I have to wash my face, slowly get ready because we might be shopping for ski supplies because it's the end of the season right now for skiing. So hopefully they have like deals and stuff, and that I can get a few things for next year's season. So this is my diary, and I don't think I've ever showed it to you guys because it's super childish, but I don't care, I love it. I'll show it to you guys right now. My mom had a huge collection of stickers that she's had since we were kids, and I'm trying to use them up. That's what I'm looking at when I'm picking my theme. And sorry, I look like an egghead right now because like the hair's in the back. I have a hair mask in my hair. So yeah, I started off just by writing about 2020 and then about 2021, what I want for the year. And then I just wrote out all the calendars and different birthdays for each month. I want to read 40 books, which is a lot for me because I'm only starting to read a lot. But it's going well, and I do think I'll make it because I'm getting more into graphic novels, which aren't very long, so it'll be fine. So yeah, here's a snake, and every time I read a book, I color a section until 40, you know? And then in January, my theme was just snowflakes and snowmen. She had a bunch of those. So the way I write my journal is I split the page in two, and every day I write. So yeah, I like to keep a journal. I recently started doing that again last year sometime. Here I have some random section of stuff I want to buy at the Sephora sale, because I kind of like swore off buying Sephora when it's not the sale, because it's just ridiculously priced and I'm just over it. So I only buy stuff during the sale now, or anyways, I'm trying to do that. And then what I do is a book spread. So these are the books I read in January. So yeah, I print out the little things, very much like journaling with Chloe. Journal with Chloe? Books with Chloe's journaling page. Anyway, I'm obsessed with her, so I'm copying her inspiration. And then I have a movie and TV spread, and I don't know why I thought I'd fill out only one page, but I have more down here. So the next month I did a double spread for those. And then I made a Studio Ghibli spread just because I want to watch more. The ones that I filled in are the ones I've watched, so mostly on this side, but not many here because I'm trying to go in order, or I was trying to go in order anyway. So yeah, that's my spread. Getting into that more and more, but I don't want to watch them too quickly, so that's why it's taking a while. And I did skip Grave of the Fireflies because I don't think I can watch it. I don't think so. I'm very emotional and I get really sucked into the story. Anyway, Minnie and Daisy. So for February I didn't want to do typical romance, so I went for the girls. Here are the books I read and movies. And then my next theme was Lisa Frank, so very colorful. Look like that. Those are the books. And way less movies because I was moving that month. I'm missing an image here. And then this month is Spider-Man. So she had a bunch of Spider-Man stuff for my brother, I guess. I loved Spider-Man growing up. So she had like a bunch of these, so I'm gonna do Winnie the Pooh eventually. I have the old Twilight stickers, so maybe I'll do a Twilight theme. Josie and the Pussycats. These are a bit more recent because I never was into this because I was older. Monster High. I don't know. They look cool. Just wanted to share that with you guys. Good morning. So I'm going to read. I'm not a fast reader, so it's not going very well. I'm about quarters through, maybe a little more. So I'm going to read until I have to go pick up some tiles with my mom. And yeah, hopefully today is a good day. Yesterday I spent the day painting and listening to podcasts. This morning I woke up at like 4 a.m. with terrible period cramps, and it took me a really long time to fall back asleep. So like the cramps are gone right now. Hopefully they don't come back. And yeah, I'm gonna be spending most of the day reading, I think, because I want to get through more of this. And I'm basically done my painting. I think I'm just gonna go do like a double layer on some of the colors to make it more textured. But yeah, I'm happy. This is my first paint by numbers and I'm obsessed. I really love it. And yeah, it's good to watch videos or listen to podcasts. I listen to Frenemies and a French one that they do here in Montreal called the Sans Filtre podcast. Anyway, later I'm going to show you what we bought the other day because I didn't show it and I'm excited. Also, I've been filming in this cage. This is an egg chair and it's so comfy. I have big pillows in here and yeah, this is my reading nook. So yeah, sometimes you turn it towards the window, but right now it's facing the other way, the proper way. So the book is very good so far, but there's not much action. It's more just laying out the characters and the world building. So yeah, hopefully something happens soon. So I finished Parable of the Sower and it was actually really good. I gave it 4 stars. I think the beginning was a little long. The whole time that she's in her closed off gated community, I thought that was a little long, but then again, the aspect that I really liked about this book was the whole world building. So it kind of goes hand in hand, I guess. Although it was a little long before she embarks on her adventure of walking north. She's basically Didi, come here. Yeah, so she's basically walking north to find something better. A lot of the themes are very close to what we're going through right now, concerning the pandemic in a way, very much so the drug epidemic and climate change, all topics that are discussed in the book. So yeah, I thought it was a really nice read. There is a sequel. I don't think I'll pick it up right away, but I eventually would like to read it. I think there was supposed to be a 3rd one, but she passed away sadly before finishing it, if I'm not mistaken. Or maybe I am, I don't know. Yeah, I really like this book. I like the journey, and there's a lot of religious themes, but it's not, it's creating your own religion out of like a loss of faith. She's lost faith and she creates her new religion to give purpose to her life and to other people's as well. And her whole concept is that God is change. So it's not, God is not an entity, God is everything. Everything is changing. God is all of us changing, and everything we touch changes. Everything is God, basically. Yeah, it was very good. So I finished that, and I think I'm going to conclude the vlog there. Before ending the vlog, I realized that I hadn't even showed what we bought the other day. So check out these nice poles. They were on sale because it's the end of the season. So I think these will be perfect. They're perfect height for me. And we bought these boots. I'm new to skiing. I learned like a couple years ago, but I didn't ski much. So I can't wait to have my own kit instead of renting every time. So we got these and they're so nice. The blue doesn't really match my coat. My coat's yellow, but whatever. I'm so excited to ski next year again, and hopefully way more next season. Yeah, because it's like a new activity that I like to do. Hello. I really like doing these vlogs, reading vlogs, because with the pandemic, with lockdown, like we have a curfew here where I live, there's not a lot of things to vlog, so reading is my new hobby, and yeah, I like sharing what I'm reading with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you want to leave a like, letting me know that you do enjoy these, so I can keep giving you content that you like. Bye.